Hey, how's everyone doing today? Everyone's having a good day out there? So Honda just announced a huge change that definitely might perk some of your guys' interest if you guys are looking at the Honda Civic, particularly the Honda Civic Type R. So what Honda just announced, and this was about a week ago, is that they're discontinuing the Honda Civic Type R in Europe. And the reason behind this is that the emission laws are getting a lot stricter for anything that's fully gas powered. You know, they're all going toward either a full electric or the hybrid. So what Honda's choosing to do in Europe is that they're discontinuing it, but this last year that they're doing it, they're making what they call the Honda Civic Type R Ultimate Edition. And here's what it's going to look like. So it's going to have some custom stuff on it just to be like a one-off as their last model going forward. So what makes it different other than the other Civic Type Rs that you see? It's going to have that red decal across the hood and the sides, and then it's also going to have a black painted roof, and then it's going to have carbon fiber details added to the rear wing and then in the interior as well. So just some nice little custom bits, and the biggest thing is they're only making 40 of them. So it is going to be extremely limited because they're making 40 and that's it. So the reason I'm bringing this to your guys' attention is because more than likely they're stating that the US version of the Type R will probably follow the same path as this one, because you know, in the United States they're pushing for electrification or at least hybrid technology to lower the emissions and all that kind of stuff. So if they're already starting to do that in Europe, you almost are positive they're going to bring it in over here to really streamline what they offer as far as the models go. So if you guys are looking to get a Honda Civic Type R, you're kind of on the fence about that, maybe going between that and the Acura Type S, it seems like the Type R might be a better investment as far as collectability goes. And I feel like it's just a more iconic vehicle. Just ever since it got introduced, it was one of those vehicles that it was special in its own way. It didn't have the most power, but it was great just how they made it. You know, it was really lightweight, had a pretty potent motor in there, and the manual transmission. And as you guys know, they're really phasing the manual transmissions out, going toward the CVT. So that's another reason why you can kind of see the future of that vehicle, since it's more built for performance than really anything else. So I just wanted to keep you guys in the loop. Like I said, this just happened a week ago. So it is a big change. And like I said, if you guys are kind of looking to buy one of these, I would get one sooner than later, because if they do the similar thing here and make a very limited number of these things, you know, the price will be a lot more than they are now. So if it's something that you're seriously consider buying, I would definitely take the leap and do that, because things will just go up. And it is a great car, it really is. So again, I just want to keep you guys in the loop, kind of see where Honda's direction is going in the future, and maybe save you guys some money if you guys are kind of leaning that way as well. So again, hope everyone's having a great day. Staying safe out there. I appreciate it as always. Any questions or comments, leave them below. I'll get right back to you. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.